Are you new to managing money and not sure where to start? The best financial books can give you the knowledge that you need to take control of your money. So, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, all right? So, I'm going to tell you one thing. Learning about money can be confusing, especially if you've never been taught how to manage it, okay? But don't worry, these amazing books are going to help you understand the basics of saving, budgeting, and investing, okay? So step one is understanding money basics. So you're going to start with books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, okay? These books are going to teach you the importance of saving, budgeting, and making smart financial choices, all right? Step two, basically building good financial habits. So once you have the basics, check out You Are a Badass at Making Money. That's the whole title by Jen Sincero. And I'll put her name in the description and every other book also. Or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. These books are going to show you how to develop healthy financial habits and think like a successful person. Step three, this is about growing your wealth. So if you want to learn how to make your money grow, read The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's going to teach you how to invest wisely and build wealth over time. Now, you got to take control of your finances today for a better tomorrow. This is not something to postpone. I wish I started earlier. And if this video helped you, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you like. I love you.